just climbed the highest volcano of Guatemala.
We're gonna climb this one today.
We have to drive for an hour to the gate and then the real Acatenango hike will start. Woohoo! We just got out of the bus, we are in a group of 24 people and I think in a few minutes we will start the hike. That's where you're going. We're almost walking in the forest, huh? First mostly farms, and now it seems like a forest with a lot of clouds.
We made it. I need air to the cloud forest.
It's difficult to show on camera, but it's just steep all the time. Slippery and steep.
No mercy.
We just reached the point where we can see Fuego, except for the part that we cannot see Fuego. Maybe it will clear up, but the guide says it's very clouded today. We made it to the campsite after 3 hours of walking. We made it to the campsite and we don't see anything. Hoping it will clear up. It's getting really dark now and we still haven't seen anything. If we're not gonna see anything, we will do this whole hike again.
Yeah, definitely.
Still nothing to see. Alright, so we just woken up for the third time, and this time we saw lava coming out of the volcano.
We're going up to Acatenango.
Started in the clouds, then it cleared up, and now we're in the clouds again. 100 meters to go, so hoping to clear up and we can see the Fuego again.
Mass. More.
We just climbed the highest volcano of Guatemala. Wow. Almost 4,000 meters.
This is crazy.
after a crazy morning with a lot of fog and clouds, eventually we saw some real eruptions. Not the lava, but the cloudy ones. We had a crazy beautiful morning. It's very cold. We're a little bit below 4,000 meters and it's time to descend again. We are literally on the highest volcano of Guatemala and I think of Latin America, but I'm not sure. We're now descending the volcano back to base camp and then all the way down to Antigua. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful morning. First time we have clear skies here and of course now we have to leave.
Let's see, let's see.
There is even an eruption. Timing wise, this trip was not that great, but we still had a lot of fun and beautiful sightings. Now it's I think about 2 hours down descending and then we take the bus back to Antigua. Geen slip, hè? Zes, pas op. Gaat het, Sas? It is a long way down. Ten minutes more, I think. And then we made a complete Acatenango hike. Perfecto. Yes, yes.
This completes the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It really supports Xander's channel.
Woo!